Hey everyone, today I'll review the Roadie Driver App. The Roadie Driver App lets people earn money by delivering packages using their own car. It connects drivers with delivery gigs nearby, including items for stores, customers, or even lost luggage from airlines. You choose which deliveries you want to take, and you get to see the details like distance, pay, and item size before accepting. The app is easy to use and you can work on your own schedule, which is great for flexibility. Some drivers say it's a good side hustle, especially if you're already on the road or want to earn a little extra during your free time. However, the pay can vary. Some delivers don't offer much, especially when you consider gas and time. Longer routes may pay better, but they also take more effort. There are also mixed reviews about customer support and payment delays. Overall, the Roadie app can be worth it for the part-time drivers who want a flexible on-demand work. But it may not be the best option for full-time income unless you're getting regular, high-paying deliveries. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.